So this is how I'm going to add in my theory lecture for Comp 201. Step 1, make sure that I have a channel for me. Right, so my channel is going to be BC0222. So let's go and add a channel. Add a channel BC0222. I'm going to add the channel and make it accessible to everyone. Now that I have the channel, I'm going to add it onto our week schedule for the second week of June, as I discussed. Okay, so it's still busy creating the channel. This is what there's BC0222. All right, so now let's go to calendar, and you'll notice I have a lecture on a Wednesday at 1 o'clock. So let's go to Wednesday, the 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. And this is what I do. I copy this entire and I put that into the details. Now the title is Comp 201 and the attendees are you and me. And so there's the attendee, and it's from 1 o'clock till 3 o'clock, right? 1 to 3. Right. And the channel I'm going to add is BC0. There we go. There's a channel which I created earlier on. And I'm going to send this. Now it appears there's the times Pranav and Governor BC 0222 Comp 201. Similarly, I have set up ICTL on a Thursday, 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. That's with CSWare. BISA 201. Let's just open it up to see who that is. It's going to lecture that. And that's full shunt, right? So this is what I would expect all the coordinators to sort out, because they will know the lectures under them, year coordinators with their venues. Let's take another example. Parivash, right? Parivash Khalili on a Monday from 10 o'clock to 10:50 she has a lecture. And DB0008. Let's go check if I made that channel. DB0008, great. So let's go to calendar on a Monday at 10 o'clock. Monday at 10 o'clock. I'm just going to copy all of that. Control C into details. And the subject is ITPM 101. And you and me, alternatively, when we set it up with Parivash, we'll include her as a attendee. And that's from 10 o'clock to 10:50. And the channel is DB0008, which is the venue. And there's the venue there. And I click on send. Now you and I will receive the notification, and if I had included the Parivash, it would have been there. So you'll notice on a Monday, on the 8th, that's where we have Parivash out there. Similarly, I could have done Tuesday at 10. I'll call you just now.